for your shorty. It's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So long time no see. This feels really weird for me. I can't stop smiling though. So, today I am doing a little life update video, something very casual and just kind of like a check-in to be like, I'm back and I'm better than ever and I'm so excited to be back. This has been so long that this is just crazy to me. So I'm gonna stop talking for this part because this whole video is just gonna be me talking, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I would like to say is hi, hello, how is everybody? It has been on December 8th, it'll be 3 months since I posted. I haven't filmed though in at least 3.5 months because the last couple of videos I posted were pre-filmed. I have moved. You guys saw me in my new room, you saw my room transformation. I started a new school. I haven't told any of you anything about that. I have new friends. I have a boyfriend. Who is she? I'm just generally so much happier. As you can literally see, I'm like gleaming. Like I just have this like happy glow about me. And last night I came to a realization and I was like, I want to get back into the thing that made me so happy, the thing that I went to when I needed it, the thing that was my outlet when I was going through hard times. And I might not be going through hard times right now, but I realized that this is what I want to do. This is what I want for myself. This is what I want in my life. So I'm going to start from the beginning of everything that's happened since I last talked to you guys. I'm gonna fill you in on my new school. This is just a life update. Grab a snack, grab your boo, cuddle up on the couch, turn on your Christmas tree, get comfy because this could be a while. First of all, I started school on August 20th, I believe, something like that. My first day was super nerve-wracking. I was very scared. I wanted to film my first day, get ready with me, but with the way my room is, I literally had to kick my mom out of the kitchen so I could film this. You guys saw I don't have a bedroom door. My bedroom is right next to the kitchen. My mom is always in the kitchen. All my friends know this. So it's very hard for me to film unless I tell her to go, or if I were to do it very late at night. And I am someone who goes to bed either super late or super early. Anyways, I started school. The day was just your average school day, a little different here compared to what I'm used to. I go to school 20 minutes earlier and I get out of school 24 minutes earlier than I used to. I have 9 periods instead of 8. Well, my first day of school, I walked in the first period and I have a class with all freshmen first period, so I didn't know anyone. Second period comes around, I have choir. I knew one person because of my mom. She's a senior, I love her. But she's like, okay, you're gonna sit with me. And then I met so many other people in choir. I love my choir class. One of my best friends, her name's Anna, is in my choir class. I love her to death. She's my little ray of sunshine. She is my twin at heart, 100%. And second period was good. Third period, I had geometry. I was very nervous. I didn't talk to anyone in that class at all. And then fourth period runs around and I have English. This one girl who was my choir teacher's daughter, who I'd also met before prior to the first day of school, she comes up to me in class and she's like, oh my gosh, you're so pretty, like I remember you. She introduced me to a couple people as her friend. I was like, oh my god, like I'm this girl's friend, like what? And then this other girl comes up to me and she's like, dude, you're gorgeous. I was like, oh my god, thank you so much. And then I start talking to a bunch of females and it was just like a really good time and a really good environment. So the rest of my day, I didn't really talk to anyone. I didn't know anyone. I kind of just like kept to myself. And then I started out the school year with this one group of girls. They aren't mean people. That's not why I'm not friends with them anymore. I just found a new group. But this one group of girls is just kind of like your average group of females. Like, they're all very sweet. They're sporty girls. I don't do sports, but they're very nice, accepting. I really do enjoy them. They're very nice people. I still talk to some of them every once in a while. But for the first like month and a half, that's who I hung out with. But 3 weeks into the school year, I went to, or maybe it was 2 weeks, I went to my friend's house, and one of her guy friends came to pick us up for the football game. And basically, he took us to this football game, and we were just like chilling in his car, listening to music. He was just like introducing himself to me, and I was like, this guy's really cute. Like, I like this guy. He's really nice. So then, like, the whole time at the football game, we're talking to like this guy and his friends, and we're all just having a really good time. And then I get home at night, and I'm just in a really, really happy mood. Like, I was just like in a really good mood. And I find this guy on Instagram. Turns out he followed me not that long after. And I mean, I had a crush on him, but like, it was a little complicated at the time. So then, about another week later, my one friend who introduced me to this guy was going through some stuff. And so she came to my house after school, and that night she called him after he was off work, and he's like, hey, can you come pick me and Tori up? Like, I just need to be around people, like my friends, like I just need to hang out. He's like, yeah, of course, like send me the address, I'll be there as soon as I get off work. Keep in mind, he literally works like 2 minutes from my house. So he comes and picks us up, and then he goes and picks up one of his other friends, and we're just driving, listening to music. We go get Sprites from McDonald's. Sprite is a huge thing where I live now, apparently. I don't get it. But we were just all hanging out, listening to music, talking, and then they're like, I like her. Like, we were all vibing really well. You guys are gonna hear some new words I'm not used to saying until now. Like, I have changed a lot, but I'm still the same person at the same time. Like, there's so many new things about me. Like, my music taste, different. The way I talk is different. The way I dress is a little different. I mean, I found my style, but it's still mainly the same thing. My confidence is different. Like, everything is just, it comes in proportions. Things are different, things change. So these friends that are guys are like, I want to hang out with her more, like I want to get to know her more. All went and hung out that weekend, and I met my best friend that weekend, and I also went through a breakup that weekend, and it was really hard, but something good came out of it. I have a really good boyfriend now, a new boyfriend, yes. I did get into a relationship kind of fast, but this guy and I were friends for a while first, and then we talked for a really long time first. I guess not a really long time, but like a kind of long time. And basically, like, I have gone through a couple of ups and downs with living here. I just had Thanksgiving break and my birthday. I am 16 now. Hi, how are ya? I can get my license any day now I want. I just haven't decided to. I just went home and I saw all my old friends, and I had a birthday party. They all got me amazing presents. I love all so much. I actually want to show you guys one really quick. My best friend Avery got me this eyeshadow palette that she custom made. It says, I love you, happy birthday, hun, have a great day, beautiful. And she customized it with like shades and the names. And then the back has one of my favorite pictures of us of all time. And it's just something super sentimental, and it made me cry. But I just went home and saw my friends. All of that stuff on that wall is new. Those are all Polaroids, notes, pictures, drawings, just tickets to concerts and movies, just all these good things in my life. I went to homecoming with this guy, and it was a really good time. We all had a lot of fun. I have met my best friend. She knows exactly who she is. I love her so much. She literally lives like 3 or 4 blocks from my house. I can walk to her house within 3 minutes. and she actually went home with me for Thanksgiving, and it was so much fun. It was a super great time. Back to my story. Basically, like, after I met these guys from this one friend of mine, I started falling into their group more and more, and I started falling out of my other group. So like about a month, maybe 5 weeks into school, I stopped sitting with those one girls and I sat with this new group. And basically I'm just in this new group of friends. I still talk to the other girls sometimes. I actually fit into a lot of different people here. I'm friends with the like popular sporty people. I'm friends with my group. I'm friends with the like not as well-known people. I'm friends with freshmen, juniors, seniors, people in my grade. Like, I'm very diverse. And a lot of other people, sorry if you hear that crying, that is my new puppy. Yes, I got a puppy. I will try and show you guys her. If you ask other people, or if I ask other people, they're like, yes, you're popular. But like, I don't look at myself as popular. I don't think of myself like that. I don't put myself above other people personally. I put everyone else above me. Like, everyone else is more important. So when people tell me that, it's a little weird. Those are my main updates. I basically fell out of makeup because I was making time for just friends, and that's all. And if I wasn't with friends, I didn't feel like doing anything. I went through a really sad stage during this whole moving process about a month ago. I was really sad. I was going through a lot in my head. I'm so sorry about her. But I was going through a lot in my head. I just flipped a switch. I was like, no, you have good things in your life and you need to put that above everything else. Stop overthinking everything. And it's not like I can completely stop overthinking things, but I can try and portray the good and not overthink and let myself put the bad above everything else. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to make myself happy. I'm trying to make other people happy. I'm in a good, healthy, happy relationship. I have a good best friend, and I have a solid at-home life, like with my mom. I love her so much. She is my best friend. I'm gonna make up in YouTube. I'm gonna make myself do that, and I'm just generally a really happy point in my life right now, which I didn't think was gonna happen. But literally when I went home, everyone was like, you are glowing with happiness. You're so much happier. Like, you just are at a good place. And hearing people say that was really good and healthy for me and nice. So with all that being said, I think that's most of the stuff I had to get off my chest and most things I wanted to fill you guys in on. I have so many video ideas. I'm going to be throwing things at you guys. I don't have a schedule. I'm not going to put myself on that kind of pressure. But basically, I just decided this is what I want to do with my life. So I need to get to that. Thank you for almost 1K subscribers. That's crazy. Like, I've been gone for so long and I've still been gaining people. Like, that's crazy to me. But I'm back. This is going to be a good fresh start. We're about to start the new year, which is crazy. What? But here I am. I hope you guys are ready for this new chapter. And I love you all so, so much. If you stayed to the end, comment a snowflake emoji down below because I'm ready for Christmas time. Yeah, I think that's everything I have to say for right now. I love each and every one of you to the moon and back. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you beautiful people next time. Bye, guys.